So today we are going to start the lesson, revision of the lesson. Sorry, water. Okay. Now, first page NCRT page number 136. How much water do we use? How much water do we use? That you have to calculate that for brushing I need this quantity of water, for bathing I need this quantity of water, for cooking I need this quantity, for washing I need this quantity. That chart you have to make. Okay, so that how much water do we use, that you will find out by राइटिंग द एक्टिविटीज, आपको एक्टिविटीज लिखनी है एंड हाउ मच वाटर यू यूज फॉर दैट एक्टिविटी. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन यू राइट, आंसर यू विल राइट एट होम. So how much water do we use? How much water do we use for individually, for family? How much water do we use? So no need of scale, you write here. So we will find how we will do. You will make two columns. Column number one, at home you will do that. You will write the activity. You will write the activity, and column number two, you will write the quantity of water you are using. Yes. Okay, you made. This is revision. No, again you have to repeat them. Okay, because we are revising. Notebook only. Okay, this is the first part. Then, where do we get water from? Next part of the lesson, where do we get water from? Where do we get water from? Water from. Now, you know that you studied earlier, we have seen we get water from rain, ponds, lakes, river, sea and ocean. Water from sea and ocean you cannot use for daily purpose because it is salty water. Okay, so that also you have to write. Then the next one regarding water cycle. What is water cycle? What is water cycle? Now you know that water in the different sources gets heated by the heat of the sun. This water gets evaporated, that is, it converts into water vapor. This water vapor, when it goes at higher altitude, at height, it becomes cold and it converts into small droplets of water, and those droplets together form cloud, and when these droplets become heavy, they fall down as rain. Okay, so that is water cycle. Okay, diagram also you have to draw, and you have to draw the different words which are coming there. For example, first you know that uh, water bodies. Water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans. That water bodies gets heated by the heat of the sun. Okay. Then this water converts into water vapor. Water converts into water vapor. So that you have to write what is that process called. So you have to also write regarding evaporation. Okay. So you have to write evaporation is the process in which water converts into water vapor on heating. Okay, that their term is involved in this process, water cycle. That term also, when we are studying about water cycle, it is very important to know that term also. Understand? And then this water vapor is going at higher altitude. At height, it is cold, and this water vapor converts into droplets of water. So here textbook mention that water vapor converts into droplets of water. What is that process? That process is called condensation. So you should also write down there the process of condensation. Now you know that the droplets which are formed by the process of condensation, the groups of such droplets, what do we call? We call them as cloud. Okay, so cloud formation takes place due to the process of condensation. And when these droplets become heavy, they fall down in the form of rain. In the form of rain, and that is called precipitation. That is called precipitation. Okay. So you have to cover all these important terms while you are writing about water cycle. तो जब भी आप वाटर साइकिल के बारे में लिखोगे तो ये सारे टर्म उसमें कवर होनी चाहिए, जैसे कि इवैपोरेशन, कंडेंसेशन, precipitation. Okay, so definition of evaporation you must know, condensation also you must know, precipitation also you must know, and you must know about different water bodies, and you must know how the process of this water cycle continues in the nature. Okay, that is, yeah, you must learn, revise. Okay, this question, is it clear? Now anybody can come and tell here about the water cycle. Yes, a water cycle. Can you tell? Come, water cycle. Yes, you water cycle. Come and tell. Now just I told what happens. Yes, what happened? You tell from there only. What happened?
First, sea water will evaporate
हाँ.
and goes up in cloud.
हाँ. Go up at higher altitude.
Higher
हाँ.
altitude.
There, how is the temperature?
Uh, cold.
When sea water evaporates and converts into water vapor. Okay. So then what will happen there?
Water droplets in
How?
cloud.
By the process of condensation, water vapor will convert into
Cloud.
water droplets. Add such water droplets together, what do we call?
Cloud.
Clouds. And when the drops of the water there become heavy, they fall down in the form of
Rain.
rain. Okay. So here, what is evaporation? What is evaporation? What is evaporation? Huh? When we heat water, water converts into water vapor. What is condensation?
Water vapor changes into in water.
When we cool water vapor, it changes into water droplet. Okay, so these also you have to keep it in mind. Okay, then that I told no, by the process of condensation, clouds are formed. Now this rainwater harvesting. Why are you looking back, beta? Please see front. No? Okay, now you have plenty of time after going home to do. Okay, so then rainwater harvesting. Rainwater. You know that water scarcity is the major problem
Yes, sir.
with the increase in population. Okay, and you know, due to climate change, everywhere we are not receiving rainfall. So the places where we do not receive rainfall, what happens at that places?
That means they dry.
That place is dry, and the people there they suffer from water
Water
scarcity.
problem.
Water scarcity. Therefore, water harvesting technique is very important. Rainwater harvesting.
Question number 4.
You have to write about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. Okay. Now, rainwater harvesting. Harvesting means to store water for future use. Okay. For example, you made the model of roof rainwater harvesting. कितने बच्चों ने बनाया था? बना के यहाँ पे लाया भी था. Roof rainwater harvesting. Ah, So what you made? Can you just recall? Can you remember what you made the model? No. So what you did in that model? Yes.
First we take a cardboard. Then in the rooftop we will take a plastic box. Plastic box. Then we connect the pipe from in down. Then the underground pipe.
Yes.
And rain will come. Then
Water will get
collected.
at the roof. Okay.
And it will fall.
It will go inside. It will go inside the pipe. While going inside the pipe, with the help of sieve, that water gets filtered. And there is underground tank. In that water is stored. So like that, there are. It is what do we call rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. You have to write about this. Okay, and now I will ask question from the exercises. All these 4 topics you have to write and you have to show me day after tomorrow. Now we have only 8 days for exam. What topics I gave? I told you to write about water cycle. I told you to write about rainwater harvesting. These 2 major topics are there. Okay. Now I will know at home you have to write and I will ask question day after tomorrow. Thus, yes, one by one. You come here, Himanshu Hanmante. The process of changing of water into water vapor is called dash. Nobody will help him. अभी मैंने बताया. अभी मैंने बताया था. The process of changing of water into water vapor is called dash. अभी मैंने बताया था वाटर साइकिल में सूर्य के तापमान से पानी गर्म होता है. आपको पता उसको क्या बोलते हैं? नहीं, उस प्रक्रिया को क्या कहते हैं? जी, पानी गर्म होता है बाष्प में रूपांतर उसका होता है. Evaporation. It is called
Evaporation.
It is called evaporation. Okay, first question. Then second. Yes, you come. The process of changing water vapor into water. Water vapor into water. It's called. Yes. जैसे कि जो भाष्प तैयार हो गया हायर एल्टीट्यूड पे जाके ठंड होने के कारण वाटर वेपर का कन्वर्जन किसमें हो गया? वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स. और उस प्रक्रिया को हम क्या कहते हैं? वाटर वेपर कन्वर्ट्स इनटू वाटर बाय कूलिंग. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? कंडेंसेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाँ, ये आप आइए. यू कम. कम. No rainfall for a year or many may lead to dash in that region. अगर किसी जगह पे बहुत सारे दिनों के लिए मतलब बहुत दिनों के लिए अगर बारिश नहीं होती है तो क्या होता है? उस एरिया में जो कंडीशन होती है हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? बहुत सालों के लिए एक जगह पे बारिश नहीं हो रही है तो वो जो कंडीशन है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? क्यों कम? You are looking back. Huh? What do we call? No rainfall for a year or many lead to dash. Huh? Drought. That is called drought. Okay. Sukha. That is called drought. You understand me? Okay. Then the next one. You come here. Stand here. एक्सेसिव रेन में कॉज बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो गई तो उससे क्या होता है किसी जगह पे बहुत ज्यादा बारिश हो गई तो उससे क्या होता है उस जगह में एक्सेसिव रेन अपोजिट ऑफ ड्रॉट व्हाट इज अपोजिट ऑफ ड्रॉट यस यू फ्लड इट इज कॉल्ड फ्लड इसे क्या कहते हैं फ्लड ओके देन water drops appear on the outer surface of a glass containing cold water. Glass containing cold water, if you take glass containing cold water, you will find water droplets on the surface of the glass after few minutes. So what is the reason for that? Yes. What is the reason? Which process is taking place? You tell. Yes, because water vapor is there in the air and that surface of the glass is cold. So when this water vapor comes in contact with this surface of the glass, it converts into water droplets by the process of condensation. Then steam rising from wet clothes while they are ironed. Yes, evaporation. ओके जब भी हम गीले कपड़ों में प्रेस करते आयरन करते हैं तो स्टीम वहां से भाष्प निकलता है तो पानी का भाष्प में रूपांतर उसको क्या कहते हैं इवापोरेशन फॉग अपीयरिंग ऑन अ कोल्ड विंटर मॉर्निंग फॉग अपीयरिंग ऑन अ कोल्ड विंटर मॉर्निंग यस हाँ so whatever water vapor is there that converts into small droplets of water and we will find what water vapor convert into droplets of water so उसको क्या कहते हैं कंडेंसेशन ठीक है ब्लैकबोर्ड ड्राइज अप आफ्टर वाइपिंग इट अगर ये ब्लैकबोर्ड को मैंने पोंछ लिया गीले कपड़े से तो कुछ देर के बाद ये सूख जाता है तो किसका किसमें कन्वर्शन हुआ है evaporation water converts into water vapor by the room temperature okay or by the air which is flowing so that it is what process evaporation okay then steam rising from a hot girdle when water is sprinkled on it कोई गर्म चीज है उसमें आपने पानी छिड़का तो स्टीम राइस होती है हाँ जैसे तवा है गर्म है उसमें अगर आपने पानी डाला तो तुरंत वो भाप पे कन्वर्ट हो जाता है व्हाट इज दैट प्रोसेस ओके देन नेक्स्ट which of the following statement are true water vapor is present in air only during the monsoon it is present in air it is one of the important components of one of the components of the air okay water vapor into air from ocean rivers and lakes but not from the soil wet soil is there from that also water vapor gets evaporated the process of water changing into vapor is called evaporation the evaporation of water takes place only in sunlight okay false it is taking a water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water in the upper layer of air. Ah, water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water in the upper layer of air when it is cooler.
True.
Why? Yes. Why? Why only the upper layer of the air? Why?
Because the upper is very cold.
Upper layer of the air is cold. So what? Water vapor gets converted into.
And clouds.
Okay. So now here I will send the attendance link.